From its inception, OccuNomix was created to be engineered tough for the body at work, just like the muskox. They have stood the test of time over the centuries in this ever-changing world with unceasing strength and toughness. And that is why they were chosen to be the face of OccuNomix. We are grounded in occupational ergonomics. It's in our name, wholeheartedly committed to developing products to protect the body at work. Everything we produce is designed to be as tough as the workers themselves and built to last, like the muskox, which has survived for millennia. In order to keep workers safe, seen, and comfortable in the harshest of conditions, we engineer our products to surpass the most stringent testing requirements. In fact, we only use third-party testing to ensure all of our high-visibility products are certified, guaranteeing the safety and compliance we promise, unlike our competitors, who self-certify. OccuNomix is committed to a more sustainably focused business ethic to ensure we stand the test of time. So, what is sustainability for PPE? The creation of manufactured products that use processes that minimize negative environmental impacts, conserve energy and natural resources, are safe for employees, communities, and consumers, yet are economically sound. We are constantly looking for ways to reduce waste, particularly in the cut and sew of garments. The goal is to get the maximum number of pieces per yard with as little overage or waste as possible, also known as precision manufacturing. We also use non-volatile dyes in our garments and logos, which are closely monitored by safety and environmental councils in many manufacturing countries. We seek out suppliers of raw materials that have been certified to use safe water treatment practices. We have also taken a close look at other components of our products to ensure they are more sustainable and environmentally friendly, such as the logo tags on the back of some of our safety garments that were once made of PVC and are now made of fabric. With more and more attention on the sustainability of fabrics and manufacturing, OccuNomix is proud to introduce the first in our line of products made from 100% post-consumer recycled materials. The OccuNomix sustainable vests are constructed with a fabric made from up to 10 plastic bottles, the manufacturing of which saves enough energy to power a laptop for up to 27 hours. Our sustainable t-shirts are constructed with a fabric made from up to 18 plastic bottles, the manufacturing of which saves enough energy to power a laptop for up to 48 hours. Our sustainable 9-ounce sweatshirts are constructed with a fabric made from up to 75 plastic bottles, the manufacturing of which saves enough energy to power a laptop for up to 200 hours. With OccuNomix sustainable safety garments containing up to 75 recycled bottles each, just 100 of these products eliminates the waste of up to 7,500 plastic bottles, keeping up to 495 pounds of plastic out of landfills, and the manufacturing of which saves enough energy to power a laptop for over 833 days. The recycled materials used to manufacture our products are third-party certified by globally recognized certification bodies, which ensure environmentally friendly practices and production have been followed. By introducing environmentally friendly products to consumers, we are taking strides to reduce pollution and the harmful effects non-sustainable manufacturing has on our planet. Look for the green logo that states "Made from Recycled Materials by OccuNomix." At OccuNomix, we recognize our role in creating a more sustainable future, and as product manufacturing becomes more cyclical rather than linear, perhaps the muskox can survive another million years, and we can too.